Okay, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Omar Abu Sibah, and in this tutorial I'm gonna draw a circuit, a PCB circuit, and I just wanted to tell you what PCB stands for. It's a printed circuit board, and the core benefit of using PCB instead of using like a breadboard, it's gonna be messy wires, stuff like it's really messy. So let's just I'm gonna tell you another thing, which is the circuit that I'm gonna draw it within seconds. It's called the triple fifth timer flasher. Okay, so let's get into it. So I'm right now gonna take you from a new project. I just select the folder that I am gonna put the process file within it. So let's get started. So I'm gonna create, I don't know if you see it or not, but because this is create a schematic from the selected template next, and yeah, we need to create a PCB layout next, and now frame project, finish. Okay, so first of all, I need to pick up the devices, starting with the uh, triple five analog. Okay, double click and it will be added right there. And I'm not gonna be with you guys. I will. Okay, so I'm right now gonna draw the circuit, so I'm gonna add the devices here. I can pick up the just by selecting the device and click the left button on the mouse like this, and I can rotate the device here or the elements within the circuit. And I'm gonna draw the circuit because it's gonna be too boring, too much boring if you were listening to this. So bear with me until I just get finish of drawing the circuit. So thank you for you being wet. Okay, so we move to the PCB layout. I should talk much than before about this specific topic. As I select the triangle, I'm gonna draw a triangle so we can place our devices here, and select this, double click it to change the layer, or to change, sorry, the where it is, X and Y, the coordinates and its size. We can go with 10 centimeter. It's too much, I guess, but not a big deal. Maybe it's really a big deal because it's too much. I can go with 5 centimeter, and here 5 centimeter, and this graphic only. I guess it didn't work for the, because I should just write 0 here and 0 here. Okay, that's nice, and it will be centered here. That's nice. I should change that by clicking the right mouse and change the layer and border edge. And I can place the component from here one by one, but it's gonna take a lifetime. So there's an easy way within the process, which is auto placer. So by clicking it, it will place all the devices here as you see, but I need to just make sure that it's arranged, but as you see it's messy. So let's arrange uh, the circuit and back you. So that's cool. And after that we can make the router or the route, which is the paths, I guess. So we can being route, but we can just play around here to be a single and bottom cover, and by default, or yeah, maybe we can just like about 70. It's gonna be cool. The style, maybe we can go by 13 default here. Let's just go with the default. And okay, so I gonna choose auto router as well, and I can From the sidebar here, I can draw the route, but it's gonna take a like 1,000 life, and it's gonna be messy, guys. So I would rather to choose auto router, and being router, bismillah, and it's drawing everything. That's very cool. As you see under here, no CRC errors, no DRC errors. That's very nice. So let's see. Before we see the 3D visualizer, I gonna add my name right on here, and this is engineer Omar. Omar. I'll see that. Okay, we can play with it. It's gonna be cool like that. Okay, it's not gonna be cool like that. It's gonna be cool. Add it here, and yep. Okay, let's just grab the selector here. Okay, that's cool, and I'm not gonna play around more than that. A 3D visualizer, let's see the circuit. Very nice. Okay, that's nice. Okay, there's here without the element, with the element, and that's it. Thank you for listening. Engineer Omar Abu Sabah was with you, and Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.